Hello, in this video we will consider the exam style question for grade 7, probably for some schools it's grade 8 materials. Even you have a gap, it's not a problem to consider and understand straightforward in this video. And let's consider the question. So it's all about the quadratic equations. First we are factorizing the quadratic trinomial, and then after that solving equations. What the difference between equation and expression? In expression, it's just the expression itself. It's addition or subtraction of algebraic terms. Yeah, and equation it's equal to zero. Usually it's zero. Yeah, equals to something here in the left side and the right side zero, or even it could be written this way: something equals to something. It means that we can make this form to that form where the right side is zero. Okay, it was short theoretical introduction, and now let's turn to the question itself. It says that x squared plus 46 equals 0. So given the equation, and we should find and we should explain why this equation has no solution. There are two options how it could be explained. The first one is that x squared always positive number. So this is a key point, always positive. Why it's always positive? Because even x is negative multiplied by negative is positive. So at any case we will have positive number, and positive plus 64 is positive number, right? Positive number. That's why positive number never equals 0. Okay, second approach. In the second approach we can move 64 to the right side, and then in the left hand side x squared also positive, and positive number never equals negative number. That's it, finished. Okay, now let's turn to the next question. It says that we should factorize the quadratic trinomial x squared minus 2x minus 48. So it is minus here. It means that two numbers are opposite signs. It means we have to find the two factors give us 84 in the product. So 6, 8, for example, but since it is negative, it should be negative 6, 8 or 6, negative 8. Then let's list all of them. Negative 12, 4, or 12, negative 4. Then negative 24 and 2, or 24 and negative 2. And now we have to choose pair that give us negative 2 in addition. Which pair give us negative 2? So this pair give us positive 2. So it's not fits with negative 2, so it's not appropriate. That's why we have only one case here. That is why let's factorize this way: x and x here plus 8 plus 6, because 6 here has a positive sign, negative 8. So fully factorized. So this is the answer. This is only thing to be written. Now next, in the next example, it says solve. Now it's solve the equation. Now it's equal to 0. Okay, let's write it down. So x plus 6 times x minus 8 equals 0. So we will use the zero property law. It means that the first factor is 0, the second factor also 0. Then solving this, we will have x minus 6 and x is 8. Done. Okay, now it says hence. This is a tricky word here, because hence means that we have to connect the previous step with the current one. So the previous step, hence. So you see that if we will say that it is x, so if x is equal to y plus 2, then this equation converts to x squared minus 2x plus negative 48, right? Okay, so and we know that the x1, so two roots here, x1 is equal to, according to this solution, negative 6, and this is 8. x is equal to 8. And now we just substitute. Now we substitute y plus 2. Y plus 2, so this y plus 2 is equal to negative 6, and again y plus 2 is equal to 8. Now we should solve each equation separately. Y is equal to negative 6, negative 2, it's negative 8, and here 8 minus 2 is 6. So we have two answers, negative 6, negative 8 and 6. Okay, it was a question about quadratic trinomial, quadratic expression, and we have to first factorize, and then after that equate by 0, solve the equation by factorizing, and then substitute